In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Huntington mobile branches and ATMs near you quickly and easily. Whether you're new to using online banking tools or just looking for the nearest Huntington ATM, this guide will help you locate the services you need without the hassle. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.huntington.com. This homepage is the starting point for finding all kinds of Huntington services, including mobile branches and ATMs. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice it's designed with easy navigation in mind, making your search as intuitive as possible. On this homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 stacked lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on this menu. As the menu opens up, you'll want to scroll down through the options displayed there. Keep an eye out for an option labeled Find a Branch or ATM. Once you spot it, give it a click. Now you're on the right track. You'll be directed to a new section where you have multiple search options. Click on the tab that says List to proceed. This section allows you to search in several different ways depending on your preference or needs. You can enter an address, a zip code, or even the name of an intersection if that's more convenient for you. Additionally, there's an option to utilize your current location to find the nearest Huntington branches or ATMs. Simply enable location services in your browser to make use of this handy feature. If you're looking for specific kinds of services, you'll be pleased to know that you have the option to filter your search results by location type. This can refine your search according to whether you're looking for just ATMs, full-service branches, or mobile branches. Lastly, if you're a visual person or prefer a more geographical view of where these services are located, there's even an option to view everything on a map. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to find the most convenient route or if you're unfamiliar with the area. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily locate the nearest Huntington mobile branches and ATMs anytime and from anywhere using just your browser. This tool not only saves you time, but also ensures you have access to your financial services wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in, and happy banking.